Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with William, and William is here 1 year after his procedure. And as you can see, as he, basically I'll put the befores and afters, but he's got a bunch of new hair up there. And again, this is a guy that went basically from 0 to about 30 to 40%. He's got that, obviously it's not perfect, but you can see how it reframes his face, his whole profile. It has squared off appearance now. Like, he didn't have any of that before. Yep, in the left side there. Tell us how your life is with hair, man.
Everything is great. I love the new changes that it's given me, and everybody has noticed the difference in my head, and they love my hair. And like I said, I'm just ready for the second surgery so I can kind of get more density and also fill up that crown area in the back. Awesome.
And William's a great example of someone that sometimes would need a second surgery. So going from 0 to 30, awesome, huge leap forward, but he's not where he wants to be yet. So second surgery, we would finish up the back, and we would also run a little bit more through the front and double up on that density in the front. And I think he'd be done after that. So he's planning on having a second one, I believe. We're working out the details now. But how's your life? You said your life's a little better with hair than without hair.
Yes, it has. Like, all of my pictures, everything is wonderful. Like, because previously, you guys can see the pictures that he'll post. I look like an old man, 33 years old. So,
can we see just maybe a couple seconds with your chin down, and I'll put this just to see the side by side. Yep. And can you back up a little bit? Actually, a little too close. Right there. Perfect. And chin down, just perfect. Right there. Awesome. And then let's do a side. Yep. And then put your head up straight, and and chin up just a little bit. Perfect. Yep. And we'll do from the side. I'm sorry. Yes. Yep. And then we'll go around the other way. Yep. And as you can see, the scar in the back, I mean, you can't see it. That's the whole point. And awesome.
Yep.
William, very happy for you, man. I appreciate you sharing your story with everyone.
You too, Doc.
And looking forward to seeing you for your second one if you decide to do so. All right?
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Take care. You got it.
All right. You too.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.